1. Consider the following statements. A. Campos is a type of temperate grassland. B. Campos is found in Brazil. Choose the correct answer from the codes below. Answer 1. Only B is correct. 2. Among the following tennis players, who was inducted into Tennis Hall of Fame under category in 2024? 1. Ramnathan Krishnan. 2. Leander Paes. 3. Mahesh Bhupati. 4. Sania Mirza. Answer 2. Leander Paes. 3. World's first successful vaccine was created for which disease? 1. Smallpox. 2. Diphtheria. 3. Rabies. 4. Influenza. Answer 1. Smallpox. 4. Who was the winner of Wimbledon 2024 men's singles final? 1. Alexander Zverev. 2. Casper Ruud. 3. Novak Djokovic. 4. Carlos Alcaraz. Answer 4. Carlos Alcaraz. 5. The fifth general election in India was held in 1971. When was the sixth general election held? 1. 1976. 2. 1977. 3. 1978. 4. 1975. Answer 1977. 6. Which of the following statements are correct? A. Deen Dayal Upadhyaya was associated with the concept of integral humanism. B. C. Rajagopalachari had served as the Chief Minister of the Madras state. C. Shyama Prasad Mukherjee was one of the founder members of the Swatantra Party. Answer 3. Only A and B are correct. 7. Data from which two Indian states was not directly fed into UDISE portal of Dosan L for the UDISE report 2023-24. 1. Kerala and West Bengal. 2. Kerala and Tamil Nadu. 3. Orissa and Tamil Nadu. 4. Tamil Nadu and West Bengal. Answer 4. Tamil Nadu and West Bengal. 8. What is the theme of the 2025 United Nations International Year of Cooperatives? 1. Cooperatives for Sustainable Development. 2. Cooperatives build prosperity for all. 3. Cooperatives for a just society and safer planet. 4. Cooperatives build a better world. Answer 4. Cooperatives build a better world. 9. Which of the following are the examples of permanent wind in India? A. Trade winds. B. Westerlies. C. Lu. Answer 2. Only A and B are correct. 10. Which country elected the world's first woman prime minister in the 20th century? 1. Germany. 2. Sri Lanka. 3. New Zealand. 4. England. Answer 2. Sri Lanka. 11. Which institution in India was established in 1993, in conformity with the Paris Principles? 1. The National Commission for Women. 2. The Controller and Auditor General of India. 3. National Human Rights Commission. 4. National Commission for Protection of Child Rights. Answer 3. National Human Rights Commission. 12. In January 2025, the NITI Aayog published the inaugural issue of the Fiscal Health Index report. Which is the top-ranking state as per the latest figures provided for the financial year 2023, according to the report? 1. Jharkhand. 2. Odisha. 3. Maharashtra. 4. Gujarat. Answer Odisha. 13. Which of the following was recognized as a classical language in India in 2024? 1. Gujarati. 2. Bodo. 3. Assamese. 4. Awadhi. Answer 3. Assamese. 14. In January 2025, the World Meteorological Organization hosted the launch event for which of the following? 1. International Year of Glaciers Preservation. 2. International Year for Conservation of Arctic Animals. 3. Clean Air for Blue Skies World Forum. 4. World Ocean Festival. Answer 1. International Year of Glaciers Preservation. 15. Before January 1950, Uttar Pradesh was officially known as 1. Northwest Provinces. 2. Awadh Pradesh. 3. United Provinces. 4. Central Provinces. Answer United Provinces. 16. Consider the following statements. A. Scientists organize galaxies based on their shapes and physical features. B. Milky Way is a type of lenticular galaxy. Choose the correct answer from the codes below. Answer 4. Only A is correct. 17. Who among the following is the author of Main Jab Tak Aaye Bahar, a poetry collection in Hindi language which was awarded Sahitya Akademi Award 2024 in Hindi language? 1. Mamta Kalia. 2. Gagan Gill. 3. Madan Kashyap. 4. Jitendra Bhatia. Answer 2. Gagan Gill. 18. Which two Indian cities are the first ones to join the global list of wetland accredited cities under the Ramsar Convention? 1. Udaipur and Bhopal. 2. Jaipur and Udaipur. 3. Hyderabad and Srinagar. 4. Indore and Udaipur. Answer 4. Indore and Udaipur. 19. Which filmmaker was honored with Satyajit Ray Lifetime Achievement Award at 55th International Film Festival of India 2024? 1. Martin Scorsese. 2. Wong Kar-wai. 3. Christoph Zanussi. 4. Philip Noyce. Answer 4. Philip Noyce. 20. When was the Constitution of India amended for the first time? 1. 1951. 2. 1954. 3. 1956. 4. 1950. Answer 1951. 21. Among the following, which was the cheapest currency in the world at the end of 2024? 1. Indonesian rupiah. 2. Iranian rial. 3. Ugandan shilling. 4. Vietnamese dong. Answer 2. Iranian rial. 22. UN Framework Convention on Climate Change, COP21, is also known as 1. The Rio Conference. 2. The Paris Climate Change Conference. 3. AR6 Climate Change 2021. 4. The Earth Summit. Answer 2. The Paris Climate Change Conference. 23. The Reserve Bank of India has served as the central bank for which of the following countries in the past? 1. Afghanistan. 2. Burma. 3. Nepal. 4. Sri Lanka. Answer 2. Burma. 24. Which festival celebrated in Nagaland every year in the month of December is known as the Festival of Festivals? 1. Loku Festival. 2. Jhiro Festival. 3. Boa Boat Festival. 4. Hornbill Festival. Answer 4. Hornbill Festival. 25. Among the following, which country has assumed the presidency of G20 group of countries for the period December 2024 to November 2025? 1. Brazil. 2. Mexico. 3. South Africa. 4. India. Answer 3. South Africa. 26. The mound burial system of the Ahom dynasty from Assam, which was inscribed on the UNESCO World Heritage List in 2024, is called 1. Pattadakkal. 2. Vav. 3. Shavadhan. 4. Moidams. Answer 4. Moidams. 27. The Central Institute of Educational Technology is a constituent unit of 1. All India Council for Technical Education, AICTE. 2. National Council of Educational Research and Training, NCERT. 3. Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan, KVS. 4. University Grant Commission, UGC. Answer 2. National Council of Educational Research and Training, NCERT. 28. Who among the following was awarded Kirti Chakra, the second highest peacetime gallantry award, on the eve of the 76th Republic Day of India, 2025? 1. Captain Deepak Singh, posthumous. 2. Vijayankurti Ji, posthumous. 3. Major Manjeet. 4. Subedar Mohan Ram. Answer 3. Major Manjeet. 29. Which team won the 2024-25 Vijay Hazare Trophy? 1. Vidarbha. 2. Saurashtra. 3. Delhi. 4. Karnataka. Answer Karnataka. 30. Which of the following is a vernacular name for the national aquatic animal of India? 1. Morul. 2. Susu. 3. Varal. 4. Viral. Answer Susu.